In this video, I'll walk you through the process of changing your Audi A6 key fob battery. It's a really easy process that you can do yourself at home. It'll just take you a couple of minutes. All you will need is a replacement battery, which for this device is either going to be a CR2032 or a CR1632. We will see that which one your device has once we open this thing up. And there are a couple different versions of this key fob here. I think there's a 2-button, this 3-button, and then there's a 4-button version. Doesn't matter which one you have. If it's for the Audi A6 between 97 and 2004, if it's this kind of oval, the buttons are kind of have this oval shape there, the flipping key, just follow this video and the process is going to be exactly the same. So when we are looking at your batteries, if you don't have one of these lying around or you'd like to get one online, you can go check out the link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, just getting right into it, you can start by flipping out the key and you can simply pull these two halves apart. It will separate right in the middle, and then the battery is actually inside there. But if it's feeling a little bit tight, if that is difficult, you can just take a flathead screwdriver, and on the back there is a hole here, and you can just twist to make a little separation and then wiggle it apart. And now over here on this piece, you can once again just pull it apart, coming in where the key sits. Just pull it apart. Again, if that is difficult, you can go ahead and use your flathead screwdriver and go in where the key sits and kind of pry like that to get some better leverage, and then it will come apart. So inside of here, you can go ahead and set that down. Looking at our battery, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this. You can see I have the CR1632, which is a smaller sized battery. By comparison, here is a CR2032. So if you open this thing up and you see this smaller battery, you pop it out, it's a 1632, you're going to be buying the 1632 to replace it. If you open it up and you have this larger battery in there, and you pull it out, it says CR2032, naturally you will be buying the CR2032 replacement. So once you got your battery, doesn't matter which one it is, both of them will be positive side down. So go ahead and flip that plus sign so it's facing down. Simply set it into place and now put it all back together. So set the circuit board on top, squeeze, just line this up and squeeze it back together so that it clicks into place. And with that, you are finished. You got a new battery in there and you are good to go. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.